Have you noticed a strange phenomenon? When we earn $3,000 a month, we think all our anxieties would vanish if we could just hit $6,000. But the magic happens. Once you actually reach that $6,000 salary, you find yourself moving into a pricier apartment, driving a better car, and dining at fancier restaurants. In the end, the amount you save each month is almost exactly the same as when you were making $3,000. This is the pain point for so many of us. Why am I earning more, yet still can't save? Does money really grow wings and fly out of our pockets automatically? I am Moo. Welcome back to my channel. Here, we don't teach you how to get rich overnight. Instead, we deconstruct the psychological codes that exhaust us. In the last episode, we talked about not showing off. Today, we tackle the second core truth on the list: don't pretend. Most people can't save, not because they don't earn enough, but because they are pretending to live a life that doesn't belong to them. Without further ado, let's dive in. In psychology, there's a famous phenomenon called the Diderot effect. In the 18th century, the French philosopher Denis Diderot received a luxurious scarlet robe. To match this robe, he replaced his old rug, chair, and desk. Eventually, he lamented, "I was once the master of my old robe, but I have become the slave of the new one." Modern people are the same. After a raise, you buy a pair of designer shoes. Suddenly, your old pants don't match them. Then the shirt, the bag, and even the places you hang out. We can't save because we are constantly paying for matching accessories. Another painful truth is the concept of the hedonic treadmill. No matter how much you earn, your brain quickly adapts to the new standard of living. Eating ramen is normal at $2,000. Eating fine French cuisine becomes normal at $20,000. If you don't learn to control your desires, you're just running on a treadmill. No matter how fast you go, you stay in the same place. Let's do some philosophical reflection. Do you buy those expensive things to satisfy your senses, or to make others think you're doing okay? Jean-Paul Sartre once said, "Hell is other people." When we rely on consumption to gain social validation, we have already handed our souls over to hell. The essence of pretending is insecurity. Because we don't believe in our inherent value, we need expensive labels to prop up our fragile self-esteem. Savings rate is more important than income. The logic is airtight. If you earn $1 million and spend $1 million, your wealth is zero. If you earn $100,000 and save $50,000, you are buying your own freedom every single year. Income is the value you create for your company, but your savings rate is the dignity you create for yourself. I have a friend who earns a six-figure salary and lives like a celebrity on social media, often engaging in activities like diving, skiing, and attending high-end parties. But privately, he couldn't even produce $5,000 for an emergency medical bill. He told me, "I can't stop. If I don't pretend, people will think I'm failing and clients won't hire me." This is the classic psychological trap. He's stuck in a vicious cycle of having to look rich in order to make money. But the truth is, everyone is busy. Nobody actually cares that much about how you are doing. What we really need to learn is strategic downgrading. It's not about suffering, it's about regaining control of life. When you no longer need consumption to decorate your facade, you'll be surprised to find how wealthy you actually are. Finally, here are two golden quotes I suggest you etch into your mind. Wealth equals income minus ego. The best financial management is lowering your cost of ego. Saving isn't about being a miser. It's about having the confidence to walk away from people or things you dislike one day in the future. That is the second truth. Don't pretend. If you've ever bought something you regretted just for face, leave a comment and let me know. Let's support each other on the road to staying awake. In the next episode, we'll talk about don't believe. Don't fall into the trap of the filter era. Don't let others' lives become your anxiety. See you next time.